With ChatGPT, your smartphone feels just like a friend. Talk by voice, show your screen, and solve things in no time. At the end, we'll show a real video example of how screen sharing was used to solve a problem. Even if you can't explain it well, that's okay. You don't need to put it into words. Just show your screen and ChatGPT will understand. Until now, we had to type questions on our smartphones. But typing on a small keyboard can be difficult, and it's easy to make mistakes with kanji and conversions. You don't need to type anymore. Just speak, and ChatGPT will respond clearly. It's like your smartphone has become a helpful friend. With ChatGPT, you can have a conversation just by speaking. And by using your smartphone's camera, you can show your screen or objects to help explain. You can simply say things like, "What's this?" or "What should I do here?" No typing needed. ChatGPT is an AI app, artificial intelligence. You can use it on your smartphone or computer, and it feels like you're talking to a real person. You can ask questions or talk about things you're having trouble with. It's a smart and friendly assistant that's always ready to help. First, go to your smartphone's home screen. Look for the ChatGPT app. It has a black and white icon. Once you find it, tap the app to open it. This is the beginning of ChatGPT, the AI app you can talk to with your voice. To start screen sharing, please follow these 3 steps. 1. Open the ChatGPT app on your smartphone. Then tap the icon with 4 vertical lines in the bottom right corner. 2. From the menu, tap the video icon. 3. Screen sharing will then begin. With these 3 steps, you'll be able to talk to ChatGPT while showing your smartphone screen. 1. Tap the icon at the bottom right. First, tap the icon with 4 vertical lines at the bottom right of the ChatGPT app. 'Tap the video icon. Tap the video icon located at the bottom left of the screen. 3. Start screen sharing. For example, if you want to understand the buttons on a washing machine, you can simply show the screen. And that's all it takes. Since washing machine buttons are often labeled in a foreign language, this is really helpful. You can just ask, "What does this button say?" Or, "Can you explain the buttons on the washing machine?" It's that easy. If you couldn't share your screen, Typing out everything would be a hassle. That's why screen sharing is so convenient. With ChatGPT's voice and screen sharing features, you can ask questions while showing a video, just like this. Man, which button should I press? ChatGPT, press the button at the top right. Man, oh, I see. That really helped. Sometimes it's hard to explain things with words alone, but when you show your screen and talk, it becomes much easier to understand. This is a feature we especially recommend for seniors. It's simple, helpful, and truly convenient. Just talk. That's all you need to do. A new way to use ChatGPT by simply showing your screen. It's a perfect and convenient tool, especially for seniors. To use the voice and screen sharing feature, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan. But don't worry, you can try it first with a free trial. Let's watch a real example of using ChatGPT's screen sharing to solve the problem of a Fire TV not displaying.
すいません、今テレビをつけたんですけども、普段見ている Fire テレビが映らないんです。どうしたらいいですか？
なるほど。今画面を見た感じだと、カラフルなバーが表示されてますね。もしかしたら HDMI の入力が変わっちゃったかもしれません。リモコンで HDMI の入力切り替えを試してみますか？
今リモコンを画面に映しました。どのボタンを押したらいいですか？
リモコンの上の方にインプットって書いてあるボタンがあると思います。それを押してみると HDMI の入力を切り替えられるので一度試してみてください。
今リモコンを映してますけど、インプットというボタンはないです。その代わり TV というボタンと AV というボタンの上にインプットという文字が書いてあります。
なるほど。じゃあそれなら、まず TV と書いてあるボタンを押してみて、画面に変化があるか確認してみましょう。で、それで映らなかったら次は AV の方も試してみてください。
そうですね。今 TV というボタンを押したけど映らないですね。
なるほど。それじゃあ次に AV ボタンを押してみて、それでも映らない場合は Fire TV の電源がちゃんと入っているか、あとケーブルがしっかり差し込まれているか確認してみるといいかもしれません。
はい。それでは AV のボタンを押します。あ、今 Fire テレビが映りました。
よかったです。ちゃんと映りましたね。これでまた普段通り Fire TV を楽しめると思います。何か他に気になることがあったらまた聞いてくださいね。
はい。どうもありがとう。助かりました。